In 1932, Australia declared war on emus. Yes, giant flightless birds. History got weird and very, very dusty. Farmers were like, "Oi, the emus are wrecking our crops." So the government sent soldiers with machine guns. What could possibly go wrong? Emus. They didn't care, not even a little. Vibes, unbothered. Soldiers opened fire. Soldiers couldn't hit them. The emus were too fast, too smart, too feathery. Morale also jammed. Then it got worse. They're flanking us. Yes, by birds. The emus ran, dodged, juked, and won. Australia lost. 2 birds. Australia? Let's just pretend that never happened.